Yeah, I said she's gonna stop at 1 minute, then at 2 minutes, and then at 3 minutes.
Wir haben ein Drop Cut, zwei Drop Cut.
Basically, the music video, it's very simple. It's just like a gimbal, a camera, a bunch of lights, with a car in the parking lot with a bunch of girls dancing. That's it. Really not that much, but it just looks good, and it's exactly what we were looking like, and that's it. So, pretty simple, but just good looking. You know, we don't really have a storyline. We just have like a image concept, and that's it. Get the triangle position for a second. So you'll be here next to her, you'll be next to her, and that's it. Yeah. Okay, you ready? So I'm shooting with a DJI Ronin and a red Scarlet. It's fucking heavy, man. After a while, your back is just like. Okay. All right. You guys ready? Camera rolling and action.
That's your workout.
That's a fucking Red Bull in the coffee. Okay, let's do it one time more, and then what if we do
Should
the
I
choreo?
stay on the ground always?
I got enough of that already.
Yeah.
Just let's finish the choreo. Like, let's do with you in the ground until the end. 15 seconds more, very fast. Afterwards, we do one time more the choreo, but we change the position to correct a little bit, maybe the same, but a little bit closer.
Okay.
Yeah? So we finish that, and then we do the choreo. Everybody just dancing.
Yeah.
You don't really have to perform.
Yeah.
And we get a little bit closer to the choreo.
Okay. So now,
Now we now we finish what we were doing.
Yeah, okay.
Then we do choreo. Switching to wide angle. Shooting is like definitely the best part of filmmaking when you go to the set. Being prepared for, preparing for a long time. And then suddenly you get here and everything comes true, you know what you had in your mind, or you see it as like, it's what I enjoy the most. I mean, cutting is okay, but I'm just getting nervous in front of the computer for a while, and pre-production is just like a lot of brainstorm and bureaucracy, papers and ranting and stuff, but shooting is just like what I really like to do. Yeah, I like it too. It's just like a lovely shot, black. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Early.
from the beginning because there was.
Don't you want to do the shots inside the car and stuff?
Yeah. Also.
Okay. Because right now we're about to finish the choreography, and we're gonna divide the song in 3 parts because I can't hold the camera for that long, and we're gonna do the last shot for the choreo, and then we're gonna shoot close-ups and some scenes inside the car, and we're gonna move to the next location.